An excellent do-it-yourself plunger, automatic, battery operated, very simple to operate. Open up, grab the plunger, stick the battery in, find the one that's going to do the job, the vegetable one. Take out anything in your way, add pressure, put over the hole, single-handedly push in, squeeze. Repeat again until the drain clears. Simple as that. Battery operated plunger for your drain, your toilet, sink, sewer, wherever you need to plunge. Up to 70 psi of pressure depending on the one you're doing. We're going to open this up. Check online for further detail. It comes in a number of colors of your choice. Let's get this bad boy going. Industrial drain cleaner comes with an instruction guide how to use the machine. As we open up the cover, everything's nicely laid out for you. The 11-volt battery, the power charger that plugs in, charge your battery for a number of hours. The host called the plunger for the wash, drain, and drain, vegetable and washing drain unit, the transfer elbow, the toilet and drain hoses. We're going to demonstrate right on a piece of cardboard for you. If you short press this button, you're going to hear the compressor go, and when I let go, it's going to stop. If I press it harder, and it's going to click in. It's a two-stage button, and the compressor will continuously go until I hit it again. And we're going to build the pressure up. As you can see, over here is the gauge, and I'm going to press the button for you. Now, we are ready to engage the cardboard. So let me bring your attention to it. Do not be afraid of the sound, and also do not be afraid of the air coming out. It's going to be like a white smoke, and it's going to be pretty strong. So grab the gun, put a little hold onto it, and this will get warm as it pumps. It's not hot, but it's just a little warm to the touch. So here we go. Don't press this and point at anybody, please. We're going to just go press it right now. Notice the smoke coming out. Did you see that box just go like so? So what we're going to go do now is we're going to set up for a drain. We have, again, for vegetable wash drain, for your sink, for your toilets, and so forth. And you have the elbows. You want to go on an angle. It snaps in like so, so you can add the pieces on like so. Now if you can angle it just a little bit, and to take it off, it's just a pull like that. So let's go demonstrate and show you what we can do and clean things up. We have the host, and sometimes the faucet gets in the way, and we have the piece that goes over like so. And we simply press down, and we're able to get on and go around. If we feel that's not enough room, we could put the right angle on by forcing on, placing this on over, and then just going over with the host on the side. Well, we're going to run some water, and we're going to put our piece on, and we're going to put some pressure on. Normally this gets clogged, and for demonstration purposes, we give a little pressure down on the thing so we can make a suction cup. Press the trigger and watch out. Oh baby, the air is going to come out somewhat, so please don't be afraid. If it doesn't clear, do it again. Press down firmly and shoot away. That is the proper way of doing it. So you hear the air going down, clearing the drain, and off you go to the next one. If you have a squat toilet, which we don't, we have a regular toilet and we get this piece on. The air is going to come out here. So this piece is going to close up the hole. You're going to inflate, place in, make sure it's secured into the hole, and shoot. And you repeat a couple of times. And you can see the amount of water that's going to be moved by the air. And we could change this hose to the other type that will be for a different toilet. Since we don't have that particular toilet, this will pump and squeeze in and expand, as you can see. And then you press, and then you shoot. And then you simply just release by the button over here. When all done, simply remove the battery, empty the chamber, and what you want to do is put it away nice and dry. This is a tool that is necessary for your household needs to clear your drain the easy way. This battery operated plunger up to 60 plus PSI can deliver a powerful punch for your plumbing needs. I hope this is a product that you are looking for to take care of business for your household. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.